We see certain obstacles between ourselves and Allah. If we attain this enlightenment, these obstacles don't have to be removed. These veils do not have to be removed. They simply vanish. They simply disappear. That sense that he is far is no longer there. That is why when the Prophet Moses, Musa alayhi salam, when he asks Allah, Ya Rabbi, أَأَنْتَ بَعِيدٌ فَأُنَادِيكَ أَمْ قَرِيبٌ فَأُنَاجِيكَ? Are you far, my Lord, so I should call out to you? Or are you near, so I should whisper to you? Should I do dua or should I do munajat? Ad'uka aw unajik? Allah says, Ya Musa, ana jalisun man dhakarani. I am sitting right beside the person who is remembering me. Ud'uni astajib lakum. What a beautiful Lord. You don't have to wait for the doors of the place of worship to open. You don't have to ring a bell to wake up the Lord. You just mention Him, He is there. Udhkurni adhkurukum. That sense of Allah is with me all the time. That is a very empowering feeling. As we have said in the past, when Musa alayhi salam takes Banu Israel away from Egypt and he is trapped on the shores of a sea, and he sees the approaching army of Fir'aun, and they are charging to massacre them, and the people are making their final wishes and saying, we are done, we are finished. There is the sea on this side, there is the raging, charging army. Musa stands alone. He says, Kalla, inna Rabbi ma'i. Never, never, my Lord is with me, He will guide me. And it is only after he says that Allah says to him, O Musa, strike the sea now with your staff. And it splits open, and Allah says, then the waves rose on both sides like two mountains. But it first waited until Musa said, Kalla inna Rabbi ma'i, He is with me all the time. And it is not restricted to Musa. There is a hadith al-Qudsi in which we are told on one occasion the Prophet Musa alayhi salam, because he was Kalimullah, he used to speak to Allah directly. On one occasion, he said, Ya Rabbi. As soon as he said, Ya Rabbi, Allah said, yes, Musa. Immediately, Ya Rabbi, yes, Musa. Now he felt this pleasure that I was responded to so quickly. He said, Ya Rabbi, is this an honor for me only? Or do others have this honor that as soon as they mention it, he said, no, it's not just for you, O Musa. Anyone who detaches himself from everything else but me and calls me, I am right there with them.